why isn't gold breaking out? Well, let's talk about that. Okay, so number one, there's a couple scenarios. There's phases in the market. Phase number one, okay, and I'm going to try to write this up here. So you have phase number one. And phase number one is good news, right? Good news is bad news, okay? Bad news. All right, now good news is bad news is what we're in right now. And when you have good news and it's bad news, the market goes down, but the dollar rallies and yields rally. That makes it very hard for gold to rally because the dollar is going up and yields are going up. That's the phase we're in right now. The phase that we're going to enter next is not going to be the big breakout on gold. Okay, it's not. It's going to be a slow up move in gold back to these highs here, these triple top highs, maybe a small breakout. And the second phase is going to be good news, or bad news, excuse me, okay? Let me erase that. So bad news is good. Okay, so the markets will likely like this segment, right? So this area of bad news being good news, the markets are going to say, oh, this is good. The dollar's declining. Yields are pulling back. Therefore, the markets can go up. Gold, because the dollar's coming down, will also go up, but it's not going to be that monstrous breakout. The monstrous breakout is going to occur on the third cycle that we probably won't enter till next year, right? And that's going to be bad news. Basically, it's going to be bad news across the board, right? It's going to be bad is bad, okay? And bad is bad means that you're going to get to a point where the economic numbers are going to get so bad, but the Fed cannot cut enough because inflation is high. So inflation's going to stay up. Yields will start to kind of fluctuate a little bit. The dollar down is actually going to be bad. So in this scenario, right, the market goes down in good news is bad news. In this scenario, the market goes up. And so one of the reasons why, even though the dollar's falling here with good news is bad news is good news, it doesn't basically offset the fact that with the markets going up, less people want to buy gold. It's risk on, right? So that's why gold will go up a little bit, but it's not going to have a big one. This is the one where, holy cow, gold will explode when bad news is bad. The dollar falls, the stock market falls. Gold is one of your only options. Maybe Bitcoin. We'll have to watch the cycles. But this is where you get the huge breakout on gold. All right.